Ever wondered about the story behind that juicy slice of watermelon on your plate? It's not just a summer staple. It's a fruit with a fascinating history and incredible health benefits. Let's dive into the world of watermelon. Watermelons trace their roots back to ancient Africa, specifically the Kalahari Desert, over 5,000 years ago. Early explorers and traders carried watermelon seeds along their roots, spreading this amazing fruit across the globe. By the 10th century, it had reached China, which is now the world's largest watermelon producer. It eventually made its way to Europe, and then to the Americas, with European colonists and African slaves. So next time you enjoy a slice, remember you're tasting a piece of ancient history. Now let's talk about why watermelon is so good for you. First off, it's a super hydrator. It's made up of about 92% water. It's one of the most refreshing ways to stay hydrated, especially on a hot day. Forget sugary sports drinks. A few slices of watermelon can replenish your fluids naturally. This high water content also makes you feel full, which can help with weight management. Beyond hydration, watermelon is packed with essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system and healthy skin. It also provides a good amount of vitamin A, important for vision and organ function. Plus, it contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. So it's not just water, it's nutrient-rich water. One of the standout components of watermelon is lycopene. This is the antioxidant that gives watermelon its beautiful red color, and it's a powerhouse for your health. Studies have shown that lycopene can help protect your cells from damage and may lower your risk of certain chronic diseases. In fact, watermelon contains more lycopene than even fresh tomatoes. This brings us to heart health. The combination of lycopene, potassium, and another compound called citrulline makes watermelon a heart-friendly fruit. Citrulline is an amino acid that your body converts into arginine, which helps produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, improving blood flow and potentially lowering blood pressure. So, eating watermelon can be a tasty way to support your cardiovascular system. Feeling a bit sluggish after a meal? Watermelon might help. Its high water content and small amount of fiber aid in digestion. It helps keep things moving through your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. It's a gentle and natural way to support your digestive health. If you're watching your calorie intake, watermelon is your best friend. It's incredibly low in calories, with only about 46 calories in a cup of diced fruit. This makes it a perfect guilt-free snack for satisfying your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. You can eat a satisfying amount without worrying about packing on pounds. For all the fitness enthusiasts out there, here's some good news. The citrulline in watermelon doesn't just help your heart. It also supports muscle recovery. Some research suggests that drinking watermelon juice before a tough workout can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time. It helps your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to repair themselves. Want glowing skin? Watermelon can contribute to that too. The vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, a protein that keeps your skin supple and strong. Vitamin A helps repair skin cells, and the high water content keeps your skin hydrated and plump. So, it's like a beauty treatment from the inside out. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and watermelon has anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its rich content of antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, it can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Including it in your diet is a delicious strategy to fight inflammation. Now, while watermelon is amazing, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Because of its natural sugars, it can cause a spike in blood sugar if you eat a large amount, especially for individuals with diabetes. It's best enjoyed in moderation. Also, eating too much watermelon at once can sometimes lead to bloating or digestive discomfort due to its high water and fructose content. Thinking of growing your own? Watermelons love the sun. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive and produce sweet, juicy fruits. Here's a pro tip for gardeners. To get the sweetest watermelons, reduce watering a week or so before harvest. This little bit of stress concentrates the sugars in the fruit, making it extra delicious. So there you have it, the incredible journey and amazing benefits of watermelon. It's more than just a sweet treat. It's a hydrating, nutrient-dense, and historically rich fruit that can boost your health in so many ways. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.